Hi there, today I'm just going to be talking you through the new 70 plate Volkswagen Golf that we've got in. I'm just going to show you around the left hand side of the car so you can see any marks, which as you can see on this car there are none. That's to be expected with a 70 plate 4,000 mile car. There's no wear and tear on it, hardly at all. On the front we've got a professionally fitted front spoiler. These aren't marks, it's just excess water. It's been professionally fitted, but if it's not what you like or not what you would like to purchase the car with, we're happy to have that spoiler professionally removed as well, so that'll be gone when you take the car away. See, we've got front parking sensors, LED daytime running lights. I'm going to show you around the right hand side of the car now, across the bonnet. So you can see that there's no damage to the bonnet, no scratches, chips, just completely pristine mint car. Show you the right hand side of the car now, that's the mirrors. At the front, got the rear parking sensors as well. Very lovely boot, nice size. Get all your shopping in there. Got a spare wheel as well, which you don't see on many Volkswagens anymore. Most of the time they just come with a tyre kit, so you have to pump them up yourself with put some gunk in there, but it's quite nice to have a proper spare wheel. You can see here the condition of the wheels is perfect. Like I said before, this is just ice. It's very cold here in Basildon today. Too cold to be cleaning cars. So that's the back right wheel. That's the back left wheel. That's the front left wheel. You can see there as well, the condition of all of the tyres is perfect. Like I mentioned earlier, it does only have 4,000 miles on the clock. So, I'm bringing you to the inside of the car. Got heated cloth seats. Inside, a bit warmer in here. Got electric mirrors, central locking, heated mirrors as well, automatic lights, 4 electric windows, satellite navigation system, digital radio, Bluetooth audio, telephone connectivity, voice control, sat nav. We've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. Got your performance monitor there. So for more technical people, if they want to know temperatures, this is customisable. G-force. It's proper kitted out, this car, as you'd expect with quality vehicles like Volkswagen and their latest models. That's media. Fully touch screen. It's a nice screen to use, very responsive. Working sat nav, that's where we are there. Kings Road in Basildon. Got central heating here. Got it on high at the moment because, like I said earlier, it's freezing outside. Automatic with manual mode if you would like that. Auto start stop. Electronic handbrake. 12 volt power supply. Bit of storage there. Cup holders. You've got your adaptive cruise control as well, so you can set not just your speed but also your distance from the car in front, so that's very useful. Got your computer here. Yeah, it's just a lovely car. I'll just show you the back seats. Again, cloth in the back. Heating or aircon vents in the back as well. So yeah, just a general lovely car. Can't get any newer than that. Lovely colour, daytime running lights, front and rear fog lights. Beautiful car. If you wanted to book a viewing of the car so you can come and test drive the vehicle and look at it in a bit more detail, feel free to give us a call on 07917 033 781. And if you can't get through on that number, call 07581 457 580. Picture available on Autotrader or on our website, paylessforacar.com.